Hello there, YouTube. This is the finished Vise project. It's kind of put on hold to do other things, and when I got the lathe, and so I have another short video showing how I made the bottom at the end of this piece of metal wrapped around here. There's a few defects. That was wrapped around that round plate. I'd made a couple other videos starting this project, and then I lost some of it. Here's the piece I made. Excuse me. This was a bolt out of a bicycle neck. So I rounded the head, I threaded this, I took another nut in the lathe and I put on another piece of bolt and I rounded that. This was a piece at 3/4 which I bored out to stick the bolt up in there, and it's brazed. So there's a 1/2 inch bolt stuck up in there. I have some pictures of that at the end. And then you can turn it. 1/4 of a turn. It's still a little stiff, but not bolted down, but you get the idea. But thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube, we're going to show how this works. Got a bolt in the center where it pivots. This has a lot of Teflon tape, so this doesn't loosen. Got to remember which way to go. Loosen this, which I'll show at the top. Then it turns like that. And you want to tighten it. And I got this timed just right. I had the bolt nut in here and figured out where to put the piece of metal before I brazed it on there. Okay, show it one more time. Loosen it up. And then you can turn it. It's a little stiff, but everything will wear in. But I got Teflon tape on that, Teflon tape on this, so that don't come loose where it pivots. And I got it so the bolt will go straight alongside the vise. It was tight. This isn't perfectly round. I had a little trouble here, but this was wrapped around here, and there's like 100 spot welds in there. I'd wrap it a ways, then I'd weld it. When it was still hot, just get right in there and weld it. These ears, I ground a valley in here, or groove into here and here, and I did the same on the other side. It's kind of curved and ground so I can weld the other side. So it's welded twice on the ears, and that about covers that. How that little piece works there. That's about an 1/8 inch thick piece of steel. That's how we made the base for it.